Boop by Bea Birdsong, illustrated by Linzie Hunter. Dear Booper, all the dogs in this book want you to boop their snoots. Before you touch a real dog, always ask your big people and the dog's big people if it is okay. This is a snoot. Snoots need boops. Can you help boop this snoot? A boop is a pat, a gentle tap. Get your finger ready and boop! You booped the snoot. Clap hands, hooray! And now the tail will swish and sway. Oh, look, more snoots. 1 snoot, 2 snoots, 3 snoots, 4. Boop, 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 and boop one more. A gentle tap, a friendly pat. Some snoots are big, some snoots are small. Some snoots have beards, let's boop them all. Can you boop the floofiest snoot? Can you boop the smushiest snoot? You are a booper extraordinaire, the boopiest booper with booping flair. Uh-oh, what's this? More snoots need boops. Sitting boop, standing boop, upside down boop, around and around boop. This is a snoot extravaganza. This is the boopiest boop bonanza. Too many snoots, too many boops. Boop, boop. Boop. You booped every snoot. Clap hands, hooray! And now the tails will wait! Stop the book! There's one more snoot that needs a boop. Can you help? Get your finger ready and boop your snoot. The end.